Hi guys. This kit's been laying around for quite a while. I know my grandson did the dinosaur on it. I don't think we've done the other bits. I don't know if the bits are in the box. So we'll have a look. I do remember there was a bit missing or something and I had to replace it so we could actually get the dinosaur working. So, I've got a few bits left over. It looks like he might have made all the pieces. So I'm pretty sure I've got a video somewhere of the dinosaur running. Because we've already got the motor and gearbox assembled. You can probably hear it running with the sun on it. The sun's coming and going a bit today. So, that's half the job done. Those bits look distinctly broken on the front there. So we may or may not be able to make something out of this. Drilling machine. Right, we've got enough bits for that. That's definitely that piece. Got 4 wheels. That looks like that's fairly straightforward to put together too. That's going to go on there. These are offset. Like that. I guess that bit, which looks like it has been done before. It's our drill bit to go on the front. Oh, I know what's broken. There should be a little pillar up underneath to hold the solar panel up higher. I'm not seeing that anywhere. But on the face of it, that should go in there, and that's actually job done. If we can get enough sunlight, yeah. I'll see if I can find some sunlight. Right, actually got a bit of sunlight just here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just going again. Sunlight, I mean. You can see it wants to go. And if it had that little post thing, we could tilt it the right way so the sunlight shines on it properly. I'll see if I can put something under there so we can tilt it. I've tilted it a little bit and it's just occurred to me that now I've got a 3D printer. So I could probably print up the piece that's missing. I think that's what I'll do. I'll try and work out what shape it should have been and then print it. And then we can manoeuvre this a bit easier then. It just needs to be pointed so it will see the sun. I've just got a bit of blue tack on there at the moment. Yeah, right. I 3D printed myself one of the bits that are missing. The bit that goes on there and clips onto there. The only thing is I haven't quite made that ball big enough. It does clip in place, there's a nice click, but it's a bit too loose and floppy, so that ball needs to be just a little bit bigger. The other end of it does fit on there just right. Yeah, I don't think I can do that with one hand. There we go. So yeah, that's a bit too loose. So I have to print another one of them with a bigger ball on the end. Right, I've reprinted that little connector with a bigger ball on the top of it. So that's now a reasonably tight fit, and we can position it to suit the sun. But of course it's too late at night now for any sun, so I've got to use my LED lights. Now they will flicker when I bring them close enough for it to actually operate. Yeah, sorry about that, but that's what happens. Does that one flicker as much? Oh, that one doesn't flicker so much. Only for some reason it's stopping. Why is it stopping there? Must be a bit of rough. Yeah, you just don't get enough light from one of these bulbs. So maybe tomorrow, if we get any sunshine, we can give it another go. But at least that's that piece replaced. I was looking in the box. I think we're going to struggle to try and make all 4 different designs, because I just don't think all the bits are there. So we'll just have to put together what we can for episode 2. I looked back at the original video that I did, and what had happened was my grandson had lost some of the metal shafts, so there weren't enough shafts to put it all together. So I made some from bicycle spokes. You only needed short shafts, and bicycle spokes were the right diameter. But it looks like in the time since then and now, bits have gone missing out of that box. So I don't think we'll be able to do a full series of the 4 different builds. Still, check the video description and there'll be a link to the playlist for this 4-in-1 Solar Dino, or Dino. I did have a quick look on Amazon, and I did manage to find one of those kits, 4-in-1, and I found quite a few 3-in-1. It's exactly the same kit, but it doesn't make all 4 designs. I think that's the one that's missing in the 3-in-1. Anyway, enough waffle. That'll do for this little episode. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.